Birds means पक्षी. Birds names in English and Marathi. पक्ष्यांची इंग्रजी व मराठीत नावे. Cock means कोंबडा. Crow means कावळा. Crane means बगळा. Cuckoo means कोकिळा. बुलबुल means बुलबुल. Duck means बदक. Dove means पारवा. Eagle means गरुड. Flamingo means हंसक पक्षी. Falcon means ससाना. Goose means हंस. Hen means कोंबडी. Heron means सारंग. Hummingbird means गुणगुणणारा पक्षी. Kite means घार. मैना means साळुंकी. Owl means घुबड. Ostrich means शहामृग. Parrot means पोपट. Peacock means मोर. Pigeon means कबूतर. Quail means लावा. Sparrow means चिमणी. Swan means हंस. Stork means करकोचा सारस. Vulture means गिधाड. Woodpecker means सुतार पक्षी. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.